Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss the Cue Card from January to April 2025 speaking topics. At IELTS with Pri and Aman, we discuss all the Cue Cards. To know more about our online classes, please contact on the number given on the screen. So the Cue Card is: describe a foreign country you would like to visit in the future. You should say what it is, what you have known about it, who you would like to go there with, and explain why you would like to visit. So let's begin. There are many amazing countries in the world, but the country that I would like to visit is Canada. Amazing means incredible. As one of the largest countries in the world, Canada has always fascinated me with its diverse landscapes and multicultural society. Fascinated means interested, and landscapes means areas. Okay. Canada is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, from the Rocky Mountains to pristine lakes and vast forests. Renowned, famous, pristine, beautiful. Canadians are known for their politeness and welcoming nature, and the country consistently ranks amongst the highest in quality of life globally. I would love to travel there with my best friend who shares my enthusiasm for outdoor adventures and photography. Enthusiasm means love. I like to do something. Okay. We both enjoy hiking and exploring new cultures, which makes us perfect travel companions for experiencing what Canada has to offer. So, companions is a synonym for friends. The main reason I want to visit Canada is its perfect blend of natural wonders and modern cities. Blend combination. I am particularly drawn to Vancouver, where you can ski in the mountains in the morning and relax on the beach in the afternoon. The opportunity to witness the northern lights in the northern territories and experience unique Canadian traditions like maple syrup harvesting or ice hockey games makes it an incredibly appealing destination. So, witness means to see, and appealing means something that you want to see, okay, something that you really like. Okay, so this was the cue card. Describe a foreign country you would like to visit in the future. I hope you like this video. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.